Introducing the Enbrighten White Add-On Switch, QuickFit and SimpleWire, Smart Light Control, a must-have for multi-switch configurations. This add-on switch seamlessly connects to your Enbrighten smart device, allowing you to control lights, adjust fan speeds, and turn fixtures on/off from multiple locations. With its advanced design and second-generation model, this switch boasts improved components, reducing housing depth by up to 20%. No more break-off tabs. It's the perfect solution for older-style switchboxes, multi-gang setups, or any space-constrained applications. Plus, the dual ground ports support daisy chaining in multi-switch setups. Experience ultimate flexibility with compatibility with any Enbrighten smart control. This add-on switch communicates with the connected in-wall Z-Wave or Zigbee switch, dimmer, or fan control for full use of home automation features in 3-way configurations. Installation is a breeze with just neutral, traveler, and ground wires required. However, please note that it cannot be used as a standalone switch. Perfect for both commercial and residential applications, this switch supports 120 VAC and 277 VAC for universal use. Whether it's for common home 120 VAC or light commercial 277 VAC applications, this switch has got you covered. For light commercial use, pair it with a 277 VAC smart device, Model 43074. Easily replace any in-wall control in a multi-switch configuration to remotely turn on, off and set programs for a wide range of fixtures. Installation is a snap, with indoor in-wall installation and hardwired connections required. Keep in mind that a neutral wire is also required, and the wall plate is not included. This switch works with LED, CFL, incandescent, and halogen bulbs, as well as other fixtures based on the primary device's functionality. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Ensure compatibility before purchasing. Expand your control with the Enbrighten add-on switch with QuickFit and SimpleWire. Wirelessly operate and schedule indoor or outdoor fixtures from up to 5 locations for effortless management of your home. Get yours today.